Okay, so we all know that Microsoft has had some rather interesting promotional campaigns in the past, but I think this one right here takes the cake, or rather, ice cream. Yeah, that's a really great pun. Anyways, hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Now, in today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at the Windows 11 ice cream. Yes, that's right, this is a real thing. Windows 11 branded ice cream. Did you ever think you'd see the day? Well, if you were in New York City on October 5th, Windows 11's launch, chances are you probably at least heard about this, or maybe you were out of town that day and completely missed this entire thing. But Microsoft decided to celebrate Windows 11's launch by giving away free scoops of an exclusive flavor of ice cream called Bloomberry, named after Windows 11's default wallpaper. So if you were in New York City, and if you happen to walk into one of the Mikey Likes It ice cream locations, you could walk away with a free scoop or two of this Bloomberry ice cream. Of course, that was for a limited time, and anyone outside of New York City, well, you just missed out. That is until Microsoft decided to bring this flavor back earlier this month if you have $80 in your bank account. Yes, $80. That's how much this costs. And for that price, you get 4 pints of ice cream. 4 pints. That's a lot of money for 4 pints of ice cream. It's a lot of money for ice cream in general, but most of this goes to the shipping cost, I would suspect, because this gets shipped to you overnight. UPS next day air. So for $80, are most people going to buy this? No, I mean, this is not $80 is not for ice cream. I mean, come on, guys. But when I first heard about this, I said, I have to buy this for the channel, because this is something right up this channel's alley. Just one of those really bizarre Microsoft-related things. Limited edition Microsoft-related things. So, without any further ado, let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what it's all about. So this is packaged in dry ice, as you would expect from something perishable that is shipped to you. So, we're going to put on some gloves here just to be cautious. So there it is, guys, Windows 11 Bloomberry ice cream, and here's the little thing they include from Goldbelly. Goldbelly Food Love. Yeah, and here's the founder and CEO. Here's a message from him. So yeah, if you want to read that, there you go. But what we're interested in is, of course, the ice cream itself. So, pretty neat packaging. You've got the Windows 11 wallpaper on the pint itself here. And, oh yeah, guys, there it is. So, even the ice cream itself contains kind of the same colors that the wallpaper contains. I assume it's blueberry of some kind. I don't know much else than that. Like, I don't know what's in this. I haven't looked at the ingredients. So, we're going to try this out. We're going to do the first ever MJD taste test. Alright, so we've got a little bit in the bowl here, and let's try this out. Oh yeah, that is blueberry. That is absolutely blueberry. I mean, there's like little frozen blueberries in it. Okay, there's like little chocolate, like mini M&Ms almost. Yeah, it's kind of like a blueberry mixed with chocolate. Very interesting. Definitely very interesting. I mean, yeah, it's good. Is it worth $80? I mean, no, it's not. Like, I would not pay $80 for this on a regular basis, that's for sure. Of course, I just bought it for the novelty, for this channel, and just to try it out. And yeah, I mean, that, I guess that concludes the official MJD taste test of Windows 11 Bloomberry ice cream. Guys, if you want to buy this, I'll have the link down below, but it's $80, keep that in mind. And that's really all there is to say. So thank you for supporting the channel enough to where I can blow $80 on 4 pints of ice cream. Really appreciate that. If you guys enjoyed this one, and you want to see more videos like this, maybe not exactly like this, but if you want to see more Windows-related content, vintage computer-related content, be sure to give this a thumbs up, get subscribed, notifications, all that good stuff. You guys already know the drill, right? Anyways, as always, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.